Hey guys, this is Paul here from Freedom Vessel. I'd like to show you this Dodge Tradesman 1972 Balboa Motorhome. This is Joel. He bought this van from me about 2.5 years ago and has 3 kids, and he's ready to sell this Beachmobile. The van runs great. Joel's taken it back and forth to the beach about 100 times. The odometer reads 89,000 miles. It's got a Bluetooth hands-free stereo and is very comfortable to drive. It's got new tires. Entering through the back, you'll see on the left there's a bathroom with shower and toilet. The roomy inside feeling is what makes the Balboas great. These large windows makes you feel outside. Plenty of room for hanging out. We've got plenty of cabinet space throughout the entire camper. Here's the kitchen. You'll have a sink, a stove, an oven, a fridge, some speakers, upper cabinets, an upper bunk area, and a dinette. Here's Joel showing how easy it is to turn the dinette into a bed. You can also pull out the side couch here, which makes another double bed. If you're interested on more information about this vehicle, you can see eBay, Balboa Motorhome, or contact Freedom Vessel on Instagram.